Okay, we are going to make chicken tacos. These are very moist, savory, tomato-based tacos, very flavorful. So, start out with 2 chicken breasts. Just put this in a slow cooker. This is going to be something you can do the beginning of the day or midday and have it ready by the time you're done with your day. Now, add a bottle of salsa. This is black bean and corn, just the Great Value brand. Very cheap, not spicy. It's just gonna add a lot of flavor. I like the bean and the corn in it, but if you don't, definitely use any other. Now, just some minced garlic or some garlic powder. I'm gonna just do several heaps of this. We just want to really infuse flavor into all of this. Okay, we are going to do ground cumin, maybe a heaping tablespoon, and chili powder. We're going to do 3 heaping tablespoons. And this recipe really adjusts to up or down, but I really like that chili and cumin flavor. And we're going to add some salt. And I'm just gonna do a little more than a teaspoon. Okay, and then I just do a slight stirring. You don't need to worry, this is all gonna kind of intermix. And so then we are going to just cover it. Set it on low for about 6 hours. And really 6 to 8, slow cookers, really flexible. Okay, and then you're good. Go on with your day. You can prep your cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, or really even buy a fresh salsa that's made with fresh tomatoes and fresh ingredients and use that for your tomatoes. But it's a really quick, simple meal. We'll check back on this in several hours. We're going to shred the chicken. So transfer the chicken to a cutting board. You can do this right in the pan if you'd like. Sometimes it's a bit easier to see if you got it all when it's on the cutting board. But it should just fall right apart. So just shred it and break it into pieces. When you have it pretty much all broken up, bring over your crock pot.